Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to align an object in Blender pretty fast and precise. So let's jump right into the video. So let me actually now create maybe doors, okay? And if you want to align this perfectly, or at least what you can do is go here and then here select face project and align rotation to target. And now when we move this, we should be able to align it as you can see. Let me resize it a bit. And now when you move it, you can resize it pretty well and perfectly and precisely, right? Because otherwise it will take a lot of time to do it manually. Will take much longer. So I hope this tutorial saved you time, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.